Hello everyone. So I am your English teacher of Rising Child School, Smriti Bajpayee. So today I am going to teach you the first chapter and it's kind of revision class. So now I am going to start the first chapter which you all have studied in the class. So our chapter is Who did Patrick's homework? Patrick का homework किसने किया? So this chapter has three main characters. So what are they? Patrick, the boy, elf, the small creature, and teacher. Patrick's teacher. Okay. So here I am going to start the summary of this chapter. So there is a boy, school-going kid, maybe of age of 11 to 12 years. आप सबकी age का वो बच्चा था. So he did not like to study. He didn't like to do homework, but he is very good in sports. He liked to play Nintendo, which is the video game. He likes to play football, hockey, basketball. He is very good in sports, but he doesn't like to do homework. One day, he saw his cat was playing with a doll. So he just picked that doll, but that doll was not a doll. That was a small creature who named Elf. वो एक small creature था जिसका नाम था Elf. Elf was shouting, "Please save me, for the sake of God, please save me." So Patrick decided to save him. He said, who said? Elf said that please save me, I will grant you one wish. उसने बोला कि तुम मुझे बचाओ और मैं तुम्हारी एक विश पूरी करूंगा. Then what did Patrick do? Patrick saved his life from that cat. And in the favor of his savior, उसके बचाव में, उसकी जिंदगी के बचाव में, जैसे एल्फ ने बोला था कि वो एक विश ग्रांट करेगा, so he did his promise, he keep his promise and he saved and he granted one wish. So students, can you imagine? Can you guess what was the wish that Patrick wanted, that Patrick asked to be granted? So do you have any idea? So what he disliked? Patrick disliked holiday homeworks or homeworks, right? So Patrick asked Elf to do all his homework till the end of this semester. Means that the semester was going to end, means the academic session is going to end. This session is going to be end of Patrick and only 35 days were left. Patrick का जो ये सेशन था, जो उसकी क्लास थी वो खत्म होने वाली थी, उसके फाइनल एग्जामिनेशंस आने वाले थे and only 35 days are left. So he asked Elf that मेरा होमवर्क कर दो इस सेमेस्टर के एंड तक और मेरी बस यही एक ख्वाहिश है, मेरी यही एक विश है. So Patrick said this to Elf and Elf granted this wish. और Elf ने क्या किया? इस विश को ग्रांट कर दिया. उसने बोला ठीक है, मैं तुम्हारा होमवर्क कर दूंगा. I will do all your homeworks. But there was one glitch. Glitch means एक प्रॉब्लम थी उसमें. क्या प्रॉब्लम थी? That elves have never studied. They have never been to school. Elf doesn't know anything about maths, English, human history, science. He know nothing about that. उसको कुछ भी नहीं आता था. And for doing a homework, for doing any homework, a person should know something about that subject, right? So अगर हमें कोई भी homework करना है तो हमें उस subject के बारे में पता होना चाहिए ना, knowledge होना चाहिए. But Elf ने तो कभी नहीं पढ़ा था, उसको कुछ भी नहीं पता था. So प्रॉब्लम क्या होती थी कि Elf was a nag. Nag means बहुत ज़्यादा चिड़चिड़ा हो जाता था. He always shouts that help me, I don't understand a single word. मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, मेरी हेल्प करो. वो टोटली एक नैग बन गया था. नैग मतलब होता है कि जो पूरे टाइम रोंदू बच्चे होते हैं जो रोते रहते हैं, नैग करता रहता था पूरे टाइम. So he said that I don't know anything about history, I don't know anything about English, I don't know anything about science. Please tell me. So करता था किसको? एल्फ को. पैट्रिक गाइडेड एल्फ विद डिफरेंट बुक्स. ही take books from his school library. He read out the lessons loud to Elf and then Elf do the homework. So सारी मेहनत कौन कर रहा था? पैट्रिक कर रहा था. And Elf क्या कर रहा था? He is just writing that. So क्या हुआ कि एल्फ सारे दिन नैप करता रहता था, उसको कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था और पैट्रिक उसकी हेल्प करता था, उसको बताता था क्योंकि वो तो अपना होमवर्क कंप्लीट कराना चाहता था. सो ऑल दिस हैज क्रिएटेड सो मच प्रॉब्लम इन पैट्रिक्स लाइफ. अब क्या हुआ कि पैट्रिक को डबल मेहनत पड़ रही थी. क्यों? बिकॉज ही हैज टू स्टडी फर्स्ट, ही हैज टू अंडरस्टैंड ऑल द लेसन्स ऑफ हिमसेल्फ बाय हिमसेल्फ एंड देन ही हैज टू डिलीवर दैट टू एल्फ. तो उसको डबल मेहनत करनी पड़ी थी, उसको पढ़ना पड़ रहा था. तो उससे क्या हो रहा था कि उसको सारे सब्जेक्ट्स बहुत अच्छे से आने लगे थे. पहले earlier Patrick was unable to understand anything, but now Patrick is very good in studies because he started studying. उसने पढ़ना शुरू कर दिया था, इस वजह से अब वो स्टडीज में बहुत अच्छा हो गया था. When the final examinations held, so Patrick got A's in his examination. Patrick को A मिले उसके examinations में. Why? Because he had studied whole night for Elf. वो Elf के लिए पढ़ता था. उससे क्या हुआ कि उसकी भी knowledge क्या हुई? बढ़ गई. Right? So students, in this way, Patrick became the ideal boy. Earlier he was very irritating. He always irritates on others, he always shouts on others because every time his teachers were also blaming him, also saying that do this, do your work. But now he has scored the maximum marks in his class. He is the ideal boy of his class. He do all his daily course means उसकी जो दिनचर्या, जो डेली के काम होते थे वो खुद करता था.